Why not?
'Cause Daddy, Mom.
Daddy what?
Auntie, Poppy, Grandma.
Do you even know what you're saying?
Poppy, Grandma, Daddy.
Can you take a bite?
Mm-mm.
Why not?
Mad.
You're mad?
Yeah.
What are you mad at?
Grandma.
You're mad at Grandma?
Yeah.
Why are you mad at Grandma?
Cool.
Why are you mad at Grandma?
Cool.
'Cause?
Feel.
'Cause why?
Feel. Oh.
You feel bad?
Mm.
How was your yogurt?
Gold. I love gold. Beep, 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 beep. Two.
If you get down, you don't get to finish your breakfast. You better finish your breakfast.
Mad.
You're not mad. You're just saying that. Now get up here and eat.
Mad.
Okay, I'm gonna have to take your food away.
Far away.
What?
Far away.
Far away?
Yeah.
You want me to take it far away?
Mine. Far away.
Okay, I'll take it far away.
Oh, there by mine.
Over there by what?
Oh, there by tail.
Over there by the chair?
Mm.
Okay.